Hey guys, welcome to my channel Top Flight Classes. In this video, we'll cover the question number 2 of exercise 1.2. The question number 2 says find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers and verify that LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to the product of the two numbers. Now we have three parts for the question. Let us start with the first part. The first part, it says that 26 and 91 are the two numbers. So for 26, if I do the prime factorization, what I will get is 26 is divisible by 2. So I'll get 2 and 13. So now 13 itself is your prime number. So 26 is equal to 2 into 13. Then I'll do for 91. Now 91, it is not divisible by 2. You can clearly see 9 plus 1, 10, which is not divisible by 3. Then next number that we'll have is 5. So it is not divisible by 5 clearly. The unit digit is 1. Then we have 7. So if we divide this by 7, I will get 1 and 2, 1, that is 3. So 7 into 13. Now 13 is a prime number itself. So 91 will be represented as 7 multiplied by 13. Now for the HCF, we have to do the product of the smallest power of the common factor. जो हमारा common factor है यहाँ पे, that is 13. So that will become the HCF. So HCF जो है इस केस में, that will be equal to 13. और इस केस में अगर हम LCM देखें, LCM is the product of the greatest power of all the factors of the numbers. So 2 की greatest power 1 है, 7 की greatest power 1 है, 13 की greatest power दोनों जगह पे 1 है. That means LCM जो है हमारा, that will be equal to 2 into 7 into 13. So that is 91 into 2, which is 182. So now 182 is your LCM. So now we have product of the numbers, that is basically 26 multiplied by 91. So 91 and 26. So 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54. Then 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. So when you will add them, you will get 6, 6. यहाँ से आपके पास आ जाएगा 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 goes up. So 2, 3, double 6. So this is 2, 3, double 6. And then LCM multiplied by HCF, that is basically 182 into 13. So 182 multiplied by 13. So 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 2 goes up, 3 1s are 3, 1, 2, 5. So 546, this is multiplied by 182, right? So when you add them, you will get 6, 6, 3 and 2. So 2, 3, double 6. So hence you have verified. Now the second part of the question, 510, and the next number is 92. So first let us start with 510. For 510, if I write over here clearly, 0 is the last digit, it will be divisible by 2. So I'll write over here 2. Now this is 2, 1 1 will give me 5 and 1 0 will give me 5. So 255. Then again 255 जो है, it is divisible by 3 or not. Let us check. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So yes, it is divisible by 3. यहाँ पे आप 8 लिखोगे, 155 आ जाएगा. Now 85 is 5 से divisible only. 3 से divisible नहीं होगा. 8 plus 5 is 13, which is not divisible by 3. यहाँ से आपके पास 17 आ जाएगा. Now 17 itself is a prime number. So 510 जो है, that will be equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Then next अगर जो हमारा दूसरा नंबर है, that is 92. So यहाँ से 92, it is clearly divisible by 2. यहाँ पे 4, 1 2 6. Then again 46 is divisible by 2. So यहाँ से we have 2 and 3. Now 23 is a prime number. So यहाँ से 92 की जो prime factorization होगी, वो होगी 2 square into 23. Now HCF is the product of the smallest power of the common factors of the two numbers. सबसे पहले common factor क्या है? Common factor है 2 यहाँ पे. और 2 की smallest power क्या है? 1. That means 2 will be the HCF. Then अगर हम LCM की बात करते हैं, LCM is the product of the greatest power of all the numbers that are present. ठीक है, सो ग्रेटेस्ट पावर 2 की ग्रेटेस्ट पावर क्या है यहाँ पे 2. सो 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 3 इंटू 5 into 17 into 23. So this is the multiplication that we have to carry out. Now 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 5 is 60. So 17 into 60 we have to do 70, 7 4 20 into this will be 60, right? So यहाँ से you will get 0 2 and 1020. Now 1020 has to be multiplied by 23. So 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, 0 and 3, and then you have to multiply this by 2. 0, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 1 2. Write this, then you will get 0 6 4 3 2. So 2 3 4 6 0. So that is the LCM. Now if I do the product of two terms, that will be 510 into 92. So 510 multiplied by 92, I will get 0. This will be 2. 5 into 2 10, and then multiply 9 0, 9 ones are 9 and 9 fives are 45. So from here you will get 0 2 9 6 and 4. So 4 6 9 2 0. And if I do the product of the LCM and HCF, which will be 2 3 4 6 0 multiplied by 2. So when I multiply this by 2, I'll get 0 over here. 6 into 2 is 12. I'll get 1 up. Then 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 into 3 is 6. And then 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 6 9 2 0. So we have verified our results. Then the next one, that is your part number 3 for the question number 2. 3 3 6 and 54. So now 336 and 54. So 336 will be the first number. So 336. Now clearly it will be divisible by 2. So I'll write 2 over here. Now 1 3 will be 6 and 1 6 will be 8. So now this will be again divisible by 2. You will get from here 8 and 4. This will be again divisible by 2. You will get 4 and 2. And again this will be divisible by 2. You will get 2 1. Now 21 is 3 into 7. So यहाँ से 336 जो है, that will be equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Then the next number is 54. 54 by 2 you will get 27. Then you have 3 9, then 3, and you will get 3. So right here 54 will be 2 into 3 cube. Now you can see the common factors over here. The common factors are 2 and the other second common factor is 3. So now HCF जो होता है, HCF is the product of the smallest power of the common factors. So smallest power of common factor 2 जो है, that is 1, and smallest power of common factor 3 जो है, that is also 1. So 2 into 3 is HCF, that is 6 is your HCF. Then अगर हम LCM की बात करते हैं, LCM will basically be the product of the greatest power of all the factors. So greatest power of 2 is 4, then greatest power of 3 is 3, and the greatest power of 7 is 1. So 2 to the power 4 is 16, 3 to the power 3 is 27. So 16 into 27, right? So 7 6 are 42, 4 7 ones are 7 and 4 11. Then next this is 32, and then next we have from here is 2 3 and 4. So 432 multiplied by 7. 7 twos are 14, 1. 7 threes are 21 and 1 22, and 7 fours are 28 and 2 30. So 3024. Now when I say the product of the two numbers is 54 multiplied by 336. So 336 multiplied by 54. So 4 6 are 24, 2 goes up. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 2 14, 1 goes up. 4 into 3 12 plus 1 13. Then next we have 5 6 are 30, and then 5 3s are 15 and 3 18, and 1 5 3s are 15 and 1, 16. This will be 4, 4, 1. Then we have 6, 1, 7, 1, 8 and 1. So 1, 8, 1, 4, 4. And then we have the product of HCF and LCM. That will be 6 multiplied by 3024. So we have 3024 multiplied by 6. I will get 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12 to 14, and 6 into 3 is 18. So you will get 18144. So hence it is verified. So guys, thanks for watching the video. For any doubt regarding this video or any other topics, you can contact us on email or WhatsApp as shown on the screen. Please like, comment and share this video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel Top Flight Classes and click on the bell icon so you do not miss any updates. Happy learning!